Welcome to the 100,000 euro Forex trading journal. In this project, I aim to achieve 2% return a month while never risking more than 5% of the account. A bank might generally give you a return of 4 to 5% a year, while my goal is 25% in 1 year with the minimum risk. And 2% might not sound much in the beginning, but it can be quite a bit if you compound that return. A bit about myself to start. I've been trading currencies for the past 5 years. I only trade 4 hours time frames, never smaller, and if it is a bigger time frame, then I generally seen that the trades last way too long. So I try to do only 4 hours time frame. This does not require me to be at the desk 12 to 18 hours a day, but somewhere between 8 and 12 hours should be enough for my goal. And my trades generally take between 5 days up to 1 month, maybe 1.5 months. We are looking now at MetaTrader application. This is a platform that allows users to connect to the real exchange market. On the left side we see all the currencies that we will be trading. So I'm trading all the currencies and silver and gold. I do not go in CFDs or anything else, so I'm doing specially currency markets. We can see on the right side that I have an indicator showing me some profits, some money, points. Points will be, you know what points is, you know what money, and this is the return. If it's green, it's positive. If it's red, it is going to be negative. Most of the time this is going to be negative. And here we will have displayed how much you have made in the last week, in the last month, the past 3 months, and the year return. So we can see some profits here. Let's have a look at the orders. We currently have, so we can see at the bottom, 100,000 euro is the starting, and we have 2 orders open on British pounds versus dollar and versus Swiss franc. Let's close that. I'm not able to show you the other all the other tabs because they do include one indicator that I'm using, and that is not going to be available to the public. So I'm using only chart and a single indicator, which is very simple, and that is all that I do. So what this means is someone is going to check every 4 hours. One candle means 4 hours have passed. Every 4 hours a new candle is formed, and every 4 hours I will check the charts and I will place trades according to my knowledge. As I said, I have been trading for the past 5 years. The beginning has been rough, but the last 2 years have been great when it comes to trading. And I will keep coming with videos showing you the trades that I have taken, the trades that I have closed. Not all trades will be in profit, but overall there should be a profit in the account. And stay tuned. I will come back with more videos showing my trades and everything. Before we end the first session, risk disclosure: you should never copy any of my trades. If you do and lose money, do not come and complain. This is not a signal service. This is nothing. That it is only for trading purpose and to demonstrate that you can make profits in the real world, in the real market. So that being said, I will come back once I have fired a few more trades, and I will show you what this is about. Stay tuned. I'll be back shortly. And day number 2 is here. I have entered some trades in the past 24 hours. So it's been 24 hours since the first part of the video. And let's have a look at the trades that I'm in and explain a bit the methodology that I'm using and the money management system. So let's see. Nothing on Swiss franc, nothing on gold. British pound, I have a sell position. It is 0.1. Instead of entering with one position of 1 lot or 2 lots or 5 lots, I am going to enter every couple of hundred of pips how much is the distance between two orders is going to be established based on trend direction, based on the movement of that pair. Average daily range is gonna have a factor in that, and I would rather spread my position over my lot size over several positions rather than having a single position. As you can see, there is no stop loss, no take profit for the position. And when is this gonna close? Well, let's see. If I drag this somewhere around here, that's gonna be 1,380 pips or 138 pips. I'm not gonna set a take profit or a stop loss, so I'm just gonna cancel that. These are done manually. All orders that I enter, as you can see, auto trading is off. All orders are entered manually. All exits will be taken manually, and so on. As you can see, I'm currently on minus $15, so it keeps fluctuating between plus and minus. It's not a big gap. So other positions that I'm in, I took a nice sell on this spike, and let's see, nothing on that. I have a buy on dollar CAD. What else? We have a buy on euro British pound. It might look weird. This has been in a downtrade for quite a long time, but I'm waiting for the market to pop a bit up. So yeah. What else? This one is not going great, but yeah, as I said, I'm spreading my position over several positions actually, and my lot size. So let's see, we have a nice sell on Japanese yen. Not many trades at the moment, and this is gonna go much more in negative than $13 or euro. What else? Nothing. It's just that the market is not where I want it to be, so I enter when I think it's the time to enter a position. And the last one is New Zealand dollar with Canadian dollar buy. This might go all the way here. Let's see. Or even here. So or it can just stop here. That's why my entry is there. See, there is a strong resistance here, and as I said, I'm using one indicator that you cannot see on the screen. I have eliminated that. I'm using some templates, so it is not going to be shown during the recordings. So yeah, I explained the position size. How am I trading? I'm trading 2 hours after London start until about 2 hours before New York ends, so it's quite a long schedule, but the benefit in this is that each candle is 4 hours, so I can just have an alarm set or have a reminder every 4 hours, hey, you need to check the new candles that just came, or yeah, so I can do anything else during the daytime around the house. Although most of the time I am at the computer working on markets, so yeah, it is not a very intense activity because my trades take quite a bit of time to mature. It does not mean that I'm in great danger. And when it comes to stop losses, some people don't like trading without a stop loss, but since I'm at the computer and Asia generally doesn't move the market that much, and let's see if market would not crash, but how much has it moved here? So that's quite a big, that's 270 pips, and it took from 13th of March until 11th of April to do this move. Is it 13th of March? About, let's say 16th, so about a month. And if a move like that happens, let's make it really big, that's gonna be minus $350. That is why I'm using small positions, and each position individually will have to bring some profits to the account rather than one position making all the gains or having big risks. So with that being said, this is where the video ends. I will come back once I enter more positions to show you how I'm gonna place them. And what I like to do, see, the first position is 0.1. The next one is going to be 0.11, because it is much more easy for me to track at the bottom when I'm looking to see everything is on 0.1 at the moment. But if I'm going on 0.11, then I'm gonna know that's the second position, 0.12 that's the third position, and so on. I figured out this out over years that it's much more easy to keep a track like that rather than having 10 10 10 10 10 and being like, oh, which one is this one, which one is that one. It just eliminates some of the confusion that you might have when you're trading multiple pairs of currencies. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna come back when I have more orders, or when I have my first take profit in, and we'll show you the charts and what's going on. So stay tuned, I'll be back soon.